Hello students, today I am going to discuss the unit 1, that is satellite communication of advanced communication engineering. So these are the contents, please go through it. Now the most important part is transponder. So communication satellites are not originators of information to be transmitted. Although this is the case in some other types of satellites, it is not true for those used for communication purpose. Communication satellites are instead relay stations for other source. If a transmitting station cannot communicate directly one with one or more receiving stations because of line of sight restrictions, then a satellite can be used. The transmitting station sends the information to the satellite, which retransmits it to the receiving station, which is known as repeater. So the transmitter receiver combination in the satellite is known as transponder, and the basic functions are amplification and frequency translation. And what is the definition of transfer orbit? It is an intermediate elliptical orbit that is used to move a satellite or other object from one circular orbit to another. So transponder is nothing but a transmitter receiver combination in the satellite. This is the basic block diagram. There are low noise amplifier, receiving antenna RX, LNA means low noise amplifier, mixer, LO means local oscillator, PA means power amplifier, and TX means transmitting antenna. This is actually the transmitter receiver combination. So what is frequency reuse principle? In general, neighboring cells cannot use the same set of frequencies for communication because it may create interference. It may create interference for the users located near the cell boundaries. However, the set of frequencies available is limited. So frequencies need to be reused because the availability is limited. A frequency reuse pattern is a configuration of, suppose, capital N cells, N being the reuse factor, in which each cell uses a unique set of frequencies. When the pattern is repeated, the frequencies can be reused. When the pattern is repeated, the frequencies can be reused. So the cells with the same number in a pattern can use the same set of frequency. We call this cell the reusing cells. Here in this diagram, 4 is repeated, 3 is repeated. So in a pattern, the reuse factor is here 4. Reuse factor is 4, and here reuse factor is 7. So I believe that these all are clear to you, but if you have any doubt, please feel free to reach me. Thank you.